Mentah kesengi nak kaliang kinong penyat ke Skul St.Anthony'S Higher Secondary School, kila Pynkup Burom ki Khynnah Pule ki bawan Shakhmat Haka Eksamin kelas 12 per kelas 10 jong ke Mbose. Haka ni program laya don lang Father Jivan Lakra, Director ke SDC, Father Anthony Kharkongor, Principal ke Skul, Father Anthony Walang, Vice Principal jong ke Skul, kino hikai, bat pelakot kerpang rui kini ki Khynnah bat ki kimi ki kpa jong ki banjok pentalang haka ni ke Pynkup Burom ki. Nakaliang kini ki Khynnah habakren bat ke Don Bosco Media Network kila ai kuble ke Skul ya ki kpe ki kpa ya ki henman ki para Khynnah ki bali Pule lang bat ya ki noi kai ki bali rap ya ki ban poi sha ka thong
te no pin ai ke jismo ka bakra kam ta ka ni ke jinjak
ni kong eng akak ban ai kuble ai ngo ye uble layak ala ai nga kan ke bor bangan Pule ya ki lessons pa jonga ai kuble ya ki nong hikai ru jonga but me jonga henman jonga but barot ki paralog ki ba yarap yang ban ponga Pule ponga nga yarap lang ki nga kham su thop ha ya ki jing Pule but kitu paro ha
te madak se ka skol ka ko borang phede kum ki Shillong
ngala so kemen nomor ba kan ni ka achievement ma kalong ni ka ba he ba nga because ngala na tu men try ngala kwa ban long kini ki top 10 am tang ba nga try nga ai nga bo bek to 100% effort and menta khadu ngala yo kan ni ka top 10 ka message ka bang kwa ban ai ki Khynnah te ka de ban Pule bet ya ki Pule bhai ki ko chung phi le ya ki wiki activities tu de tang Haka kon tang ba Pule ya ki wiki kon Pule le ya ki wiki activities join ya ki club Skul le agi participate agi sports kat ki program ki ba ki yo participate le long all rounder ka bang tin pharing ma long all rounder in books and in other activities also
nga ay kajing solo ya ini ipa ya baro bahay nga sam ya ublero naman ublero dan ng kabiban nga baro ng kisngi shwaki exam ay ladan ban nga hadian pada ya kinong hikay ay nado junior school mga dan kila shanbor bet yang ay takuntahi
te matakasi ka skol ka Pynkup Burom ki de te kunok sma
nga so sabang kan maka namang mudra kin kinyala kunya te nga so kamen yo ka jok paru my message is that I do believe that I have a strong belief that everyone is fully capable of having their own fields and not only to outstand in studies and to be a good human being, a citizen of the society and all of this. Unfortunately, most of the society nowadays, they used to direct us to one type of intelligence, and I just hope so that society's view will change and that it would also move its view towards those who are more of a practical bent than that of an academic bent. Thank you.
Nga sungu yai mai para rubas penut bayan da por pusem penut tang taru biarap hi banang Pule kan te ya Skul ruba le dan kelas nursery le bidang ne te snu mu ba mo Skul en nong hikai ruba ya rab ba hikai nga adu berang red baki pen klan mai ta foundation te bagi bahing ru ba pen slur bet ban Pule kan ban kampai te nga ko ban message ba bam dia ban Pule kan pe ngaru ni por badet tengah le kai football ngale kai football ngale bun namar ka por te ka bun ka pher habab kumno be le de ka pi de ban bu ka por ban Pule kat por ban le kai por ban don lang bat ki mi kwa bat para bat men ta anda pile ta te paro kan poi kat ba kwa
Nakaliang jo principal ke Skul Father Anthony Kharkongor ila ai khuble ye ki Khynnah ki bala wanra Burom ke Skul na ka jing treish dom jong ki ringkat ka jing yara bat ka jing kersan lang ki mi ki pa ki hinman ki para bat ki no hikai bat ila kentu ru ye ki bakin ai ka bahatam ha ka jing em jong ki Khynnah bakin yo khat barabor ye ki so ka jing job.
Today it's my privilege and honor to speak to all of you, expressing our gratitude to God the Almighty for His blessings and graces bestowed on the school and in the institution. As the school keeps and felicitate the rank holders today, We express our sincere gratitude to God for having blessed these students of ours who have performed and excelled well in the results. Therefore, it is my duty today to thank each and every one of them for leading and inspiring many other students who could also do the same in the coming years. We are grateful to the parents, to the students. And as today, as I'm speaking, it is a speech, not a command, but it is a speech of commending and appreciating the students. It is a speech of not dictating but elevating, not a speech of patronizing but a speech of eulogizing on the achievement of our great erudite of our school. When we celebrate the great achievement, I am recalled with the poem that the class 12 are studying to the pupils of Hindu College. Here the poet portrays the emotions of a teacher seeing his students excelling in life. And our teachers too must have been said the same. What joyous reigns upon me when I feel fame in the mirror of futurity. Yes, the teachers, the schools are opening doors to the students. And it is the duty of the students to get inside and make use of all the opportunities. And I'm sure these students who have come up in great position, it is because they have made use of the opportunities. Things have not been futurity. Things have not scattered, shattered, but it has bear fruit. And today it's a special day wherein our teachers have a sense of satisfaction, a sense of happiness, seeing that students have not wasted their time. Teachers' efforts and work have not been in vain, but have indeed brought fruits through the hard work the students have put in. Therefore, I wish bright future to these students of ours, and may God continue to guide and protect them wherever they are. God bless and thank you.